Struggling to keep track of your subscriptions and bills? Ever wonder how much you're really spending each month? In the world of personal finance apps, a lot of you have heard of Truebill, but what about Rocket Money? And what's the connection between the two? Let's break down the evolution from Truebill to Rocket Money. Truebill was a well-known financial app that made a name for itself by helping people find and cancel unwanted subscriptions. The app's core mission was to help you save money by identifying those sneaky recurring charges you'd forgotten about. It was a game changer for many, putting hundreds, even thousands of dollars back in people's pockets. In 2021, Truebill was acquired by Rocket Companies, the parent company behind brands like Rocket Mortgage. This acquisition was a pivotal moment. While Truebill was already a strong tool, the new ownership saw an opportunity to integrate it into a broader financial ecosystem. This led to a rebranding and an expansion of services. In 2022, Truebill officially became Rocket Money. So, what's the difference between the two? The short answer is that Rocket Money is essentially a more powerful, feature-rich version of Truebill. While the core features of subscription management and bill negotiation are still there, Rocket Money has added a whole suite of new tools. You can now get a comprehensive view of your finances, including a net worth tracker that monitors your assets and debts. The app also offers a dedicated budgeting tool and an autopilot savings feature that automatically transfers money to your savings goals. The goal is to provide a more holistic financial management experience, connecting your spending habits to your long-term financial health. The main takeaway is that Truebill's mission to save you money lives on and has been supercharged by Rocket Company's resources. What started as an app to find and cancel subscriptions has evolved into a complete financial sidekick. It's a testament to how financial technology is constantly changing to meet our needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.